This video answers the query how to buy shares of YNGN.L Brewery Plc Nv and explains the basic steps. YNGN.L Brewery Plc Nv is a UK brewer listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker YNGN.L. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker YNGN.L to find the listing. Check the search results carefully and select the CoS Brewery Plc Nv entry that matches the LSE PLC listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for YNGN.L. Confirm the company name, exchange LSE PLC, and ticker to ensure this is the correct YNGN.L Brewery Plc Nv listing. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio and reflect your holding in YNGN.L. For the example link and more resources, see the description below.